Hello, and welcome back to AI Ed, from Bits to Breakthroughs. I'm your host, Matteo 1.0, one of the AI-generated avatars here at newbits.ai. Thank you for joining us again in our AI Basics, the Fundamentals series. In our last episode, we explored how AI is integrated into our daily lives, from smart assistants and recommendation systems to AI-powered healthcare and financial tools. Today, we're moving forward by guiding you through the AI solutions marketplace here at newbits.ai. By the end of this episode, you'll have a clear understanding of how to navigate our AI solutions directory, discover AI models, tools, and platforms, and tailor your search to meet your needs. Let's get started. So, what exactly is the AI solutions directory? The AI Solutions Directory is a comprehensive resource designed to connect you with practical AI models, tools, and platforms. Whether you're a beginner looking for accessible AI solutions or an expert seeking advanced AI tools, our directory has something for you. In a rapidly evolving field like artificial intelligence, finding the right resources can be overwhelming. That's why we created a centralized hub where you can discover, review, and connect with AI solutions tailored to your needs. Our directory is categorized into 6 key areas of AI. Language. Explore solutions for natural language processing, chatbots, text analysis, and translation tools. Data. Find AI tools for data analytics, big data processing, visualization, and data management. Audio vision. Discover solutions for speech recognition, computer vision, image processing, and audio analysis. In fact, I embody audio vision AI. newbits.ai utilized state-of-the-art audio vision AI in creating me. Healthcare. Browse AI solutions for medical imaging, health monitoring, patient data analysis, and diagnostics. Robotics. Uncover AI-driven autonomous systems, robotics, control software, and automation tools. Gaming. Explore AI used in game development, player behavior analysis, virtual reality, and procedural content generation. Let's take a test drive. Each listing in our directory provides an overview of our AI solution, along with a clickable link that takes you directly to the provider's website or resource page. You can read insights from other users who have experience with these solutions, helping you make informed decisions. To make your search even more efficient, we've included intuitive browse and filter by options. You can filter by solution type, choosing between models or tools and platforms. You can also browse and filter by AI category, allowing you to focus on specific areas like language, data, robotics, or any of the other categories that interest you. Additionally, you can discover featured solutions, highlighted models, tools, and platforms recommended by newbits.ai. By providing these features, we aim to save you time and help you tailor your search to find exactly what you're looking for. At newbits.ai, we're dedicated to supporting your journey into artificial intelligence. The AI Solutions Directory is just one way we help you transform bits of information into breakthroughs of understanding. We invite you to explore the AI Solutions Directory and discover the AI solutions that will propel you forward. Whether you're just starting out or you're an AI professional, there's something here for you. And as always, stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, it's all about the bits, especially the new bits.